Did your loved one develop a pressure ulcer, also known as a bed sore, while living in a nursing home? If they did, I want you to hear this clearly. Pressure ulcers almost never happen by accident. They're usually a sign of serious nursing home negligence. I'm attorney Tracy Paulsen with Rightful Legal, and this issue is very personal to me. My mother was a nurse in nursing homes and assisted living homes for many years. Growing up, I heard story after story about what really happens behind these closed doors. She told me how preventable pressure ulcers are when caregivers do their job, when they turn residents, check their skin, keep them clean and dry, and give them the attention that they deserve. She also told me how heartbreaking it is when these simple steps are not taken, leaving vulnerable people in pain that never should have happened. So when I say pressure ulcers are signs of neglect, I say this both from professional experience and also from personal understanding. Now let's talk about when you can bring a lawsuit. Now you may have a nursing home negligence claim when a pressure ulcer should have been prevented, when it was ignored or left untreated, when it progressed to stage 3 or stage 4, became infected, when it required hospitalization, or when it contributed to your loved one's decline and even their death. These wounds only develop when basic care is missing. So who can file a claim? In Massachusetts, the resident of the nursing home can file a claim. If they cannot, a family member with legal authority, such as a guardian or healthcare proxy, can file for them. And if the pressure ulcer led to death, the family may file a wrongful death lawsuit. So how do we prove a pressure ulcer or bed sore case? First, we examine such things as turning schedules and skin checks at the nursing home, whether care plans were followed. We look at wound photographs and treatment notes, nursing home documentation. We look at the levels of staffing, and we look at hospital records, which can show the severity of an injury. In many cases, the evidence shows what nursing homes do not want to admit, that your loved one wasn't given the care that they needed and that they deserved. So why should you call Rightful Legal? Because families rarely get honest answers from the facility when they try these cases on their own. Because you deserve the truth about what happened, and because I take these cases personally, knowing what my mother witnessed, knowing how avoidable these injuries are, and knowing the pain that these cause families. You can call and speak to me directly. On your behalf, I will gather records. I'll work with expert nurses and physicians and build a strong case to hold the nursing home accountable. At Rightful Legal, we fight for compensation for medical care, pain and suffering, emotional trauma, and the loss of dignity your loved one has endured. Pressure ulcers are completely preventable. Bed sores are not just part of aging. They are signs of significant neglect, and your family deserves justice. If you or your loved one developed a pressure ulcer or bed sore in a nursing home, you can call or text me directly at 617-821-5856 or visit rightfullegal.com and schedule a free confidential case review. Your loved one trusted their caregivers, and when that trust is broken, we step in to make this right. Please comment or share this video so others can follow. Thank you so much.